Let me be, let me. When you move like that on me, let me be, let me be. Don't stop, don't talk, just feel, let me be. Let me be.
Hey travel fam, it's A and J with Once Upon a Passport. Welcome back.
Hello.
Hi.
Seat number?
25C.
Seat on this side?
Thank you.
It's on this side. Yeah.
On the way back. Not today. Today we head to the back. Hello.
May I come in?
Of course, please. Do you have enough space? Sorry.
Yeah, normally it's good. Just
Nope, sorry.
oh, you have to have it on the.
Yes.
And where are you from?
Dallas.
Ah,
Yes.
it's your first time here?
Not mine, it's her first time.
Ah,
But our first time staying at the property.
Yeah.
I saw you ordered the Spanish food.
Yes.
Yes, we did.
All Spanish food. Some of it smells good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it smells amazing.
It smells really good.
It's true. I let the things open so that I can.
Oh, yeah. I appreciate that.
It's wafting this way.
This. And the tortilla.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Everything is done.
Thank you.
So it's been a minute, so I thought we would catch you guys up. So we safely landed in Barcelona. We made it through a very long experience going through the new customs. But we made it to our hotel. So we're staying at the Hotel Arts in Barcelona, which is a Ritz-Carlton property. Absolutely gorgeous. So we are kind of taking a minute, getting settled. I headed up to the pool for a little relaxation before we get into the rest of the evening. So we're taking a minute and we will be back soon.
What can I do for you?
We have a class.
Okay.
F1. Lemon and garlic.
There you go. So now you can just do this problem to the guys is small, the beautiful smoky skin with the lemon skin. It's all about the flavors and the smell. There you go. Here come guys.
I'm sorry, we're doing what? Oh.
And you're gonna go in white. I'm gonna give you half glass of wine. You're gonna do it.